As much as I did not want to have to retest fit this rack, I'd made enough changes that it was worth my while, and probably better to be safe than sorry before I permanently welded in all the gussets and structures to it.
Just a quick test fit on there with those top pipes to kind of look at it. Well, for one, make sure it still fits. The proportions are right. I think it looks good. So I'm confident in that fitment. Pretty straight gap between the cab and the bed until it starts to leave. Trying to decide how I should do the front bar, because I am gonna do a light bar across the front. But I guess none of that really has anything to do with fitment. So I consider this a win. I'll mark the holes for that plate right there. I popped 4 holes in that flat plate on both sides, so now I'll mark it on the bed so that those holes can be pre-drilled when I lift it off the last time. Since the angles and everything on here seem to be somehow correct, I'll take that down, hard weld in that plate, start welding all these holes, grinding all that smooth, clean up those welds, primer it black, and then throw some bed liner on it. But I think that's gonna be good. To anybody doing anything like this, this blue tape, it's just regular blue painter's tape. It's nothing fancy. If you think you're gonna have 2 pieces of metal kiss, just throw a pass of that on there. I did it on the other side and it really paid off. It didn't kiss the metal, it just straight up rode down the metal. And somehow it did not hurt the paint. Because I mean, it's quite the feat getting this thing to fit in there with the forklift on limited angles, but it's looking pretty good. I'm pretty pleased with that. I'll move forward with that. Nothing drastic I have to cut off for a change, which is kind of nice.
Sorry for the lack of productivity in this video, but I am only working on this in my spare time, typically 1 afternoon a week for roughly a 3 to 4 hour block. This week we had a couple other projects going on, so I just didn't have a whole lot of time to devote to this, but hopefully next week we'll be back on productivity. Thanks for watching.